Hey guys, I'm Johnny, and today's video I'm gonna show you how to make my amazing barbecue chicken. This chicken is so flavorful, so tender, and so delicious, and I know you will love it. So let's get started. So guys, the way I'm gonna make my chicken is first I'm gonna bake it. You know why? I like to bake my chicken first because all those juices they get like trapped into the chicken and becomes more flavorful, more tender. It is so good. So I am using a combination of chicken thighs and chicken drumstick. And what I did, I rinsed my chicken, then I pat it dry. And now I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil. And now we're gonna season it. In this bowl, I have all my seasoning. I'm gonna list them in the description box, so don't worry. But I have some oregano, some garlic, paprika, so good. So sprinkle that over your chicken. And whenever I make chicken or something that goes into the oven like meat, I like to add some citric. So I'm using some lime juice. You can also use lemon juice. And using a cook's best tools, the hands, I'm going to mix that all together. I'm gonna rub the chicken until everything is well combined. Make sure to arrange the chicken in your dish. Make sure that the skin is facing up. And we're gonna bake this at a 425 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And in the meantime, let's get started on a quick barbecue sauce. So in this saucepan, I have some ketchup, and to that, I'm gonna add all the ingredients for my barbecue sauce. Once again, they're gonna be written in the description box. Give it a nice mix, and we're gonna take this to the stove, and we're gonna cook it there for about 5 minutes. I like to cook it a little bit so the spices wake up and, you know, it becomes thicker. So after 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to remove my sauce and I'm going to place it into a bowl. So guys, I baked my chicken for exactly 30 minutes. And once it comes out of the oven, you will see that it will have like dry, like spices on top. So what I do, I take my tongue and I mix it all together with the juices. So I do not have a grill, but I have a grill pan, which is nice and hot, and I added some oil in there, and that's where I'm gonna cook the chicken. So I'm gonna place my chicken skin side down on my grill pan, and you wanna cook it in there until the skin becomes nice and crispy and it develops some nice color. You wanna make sure to smother the barbecue sauce on the other side of the chicken. You're going to flip it so that part gets nice and caramelized, and then you're going to brush more barbecue sauce on the other side. You're going to do this like 3 to 4 times on each side, or it's even up to you, as much or as little barbecue sauce that you want. But make sure that both sides are nice and caramelized. So this is how my chicken is looking. I really hope you get to try this recipe. It is so delicious. If you make it, don't forget to tag me. The recipe will be written in the description box, and I see you next time. Bye.